Irwin Data Intelligence Suite, Getting Started with Mapping Manager. The agenda. Updating mapping specifications involves updating mapping specifications manually, uploading mapping specifications in XML, specifying Xpath in mapping specifications, and setting column order and column visibility. Getting started with Mapping Manager. Click on the menu icon to access Irwin Data Intelligence Suite modules. Go to Data Catalog and select Mapping Manager. Irwin Data Intelligence Suite, updating mapping specifications manually. Manual entry of mapping specifications should be used on a case-by-case basis. After creating mapping specifications, you can update mapping specifications manually. Under the Workspace Mappings pane, click the required map. The Mapping Specifications grid appears. Click on Edit Specifications tab. Double-click a required cell to update its value. Select a row. Use the Control key to select multiple rows in the Mapping Specifications grid and right-click a required cell. Irwin Data Intelligence Suite, uploading mapping specifications in XML. You can upload mapping specifications to a project in XML format. You can either use an existing XML file or export it from a suitable project. Ensure that the XML file follows the correct template. Under the Workspace Mappings pane, right-click the required project. The Upload Legacy page appears. Drag and drop or select the XML file to upload. Click here to upload. The Upload Mapping Manager XML page appears. Update the mail comments and click here to upload. Irwin Data Intelligence Suite, specifying Xpath in mapping specifications. Xpath is a potential path expression in an XML document. If you have scanned source or target metadata using an XSD database type, then Xpath plays an important role in mappings. You can specify Xpath in a mapping specification for source and target columns. To specify Xpath in mapping specifications, go to Workspace Mappings pane and click a map. Click on Edit Specifications tab. Right-click the header menu and select Target Xpath and Source Xpath. The Target Xpath and Source Xpath columns are visible with the corresponding Xpath values in the Mapping Specifications grid. Double-click a cell under Target Xpath or Source Xpath to enter the required Xpath. Click on Save. Irwin Data Intelligence Suite, setting column order and column visibility. You can change the column order and column visibility in a mapping specification. This helps you work more efficiently and accurately. To set the column order in a mapping specification, under the Workspace Mappings pane, click a map. Click the required column header and drag and drop the column at the required place. Use the Reset button for column ordering and visibility. Click here to set the column visibility in the Mapping Specifications grid. The header menu page appears. Expand the respective nodes and select the required columns. Close the header menu page. The selected columns are visible in the Mapping Specifications grid. That's it. For more information, please visit irwin.com.